Smartlead is one of the best tools on the market to send cold emails. You can literally send hundreds or even thousands of cold emails every single day, get positive replies, and book sales calls with your ideal clients. But here is the thing. Sending cold emails only work if you are reaching the right people. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find good leads on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, how to get their verified emails, and how you can send them a cold email using Smartlead. Let's start. Alright, so the first step is to find good leads using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So here I'm currently on the homepage of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And if I want to access the filters, I just need to go here on Lead Filters. Then here on the left, I have all the filters I can use to find good leads. And on the right part of my screen, I have the leads that match my filters. If you are new on LinkedIn Sales Navigator and you don't know how to make a search, I've made a complete tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to generate leads. And if you want to see that, you can click on the top right of your screen. Now for this tutorial, I will use some filters. And the first one I want to use is company headcount. So here I want to target big companies, so let's say between 5,000 to 10,000 people. The next filter I want to use is current job title, and for this tutorial I want to target people who are sales manager. Perfect, sales manager. Then the next filter I want to use is geography. So here I want people based in New York. And then I click on include. So with these three filters, company headcount, current job title, and geography, you can see that with this search, I have more than 2,000 results, which is a very good start if you want to start sending cold emails. Now, let's say that we are happy with this search and that we want to export these people with their verified emails and put them in Smartlead to be able to send cold emails. So unfortunately, with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can't do that natively. And if you want to do that, you need a tool like GiveMeLeads to export your leads and get their verified emails. So if you want to use GiveMeLeads, you can go on givemeleads.io or you can click in the first link in the description. Then you go here and you click on Start for free. Here you create your GiveMeLeads account, and once you're connected, you will be on this page. So here you just need to connect your LinkedIn account. So you give your email and password, and then you click on login. Once you've connected your LinkedIn account, if you want to get a button like this one on LinkedIn Sales Navigator to be able to export your leads in just one click, you need to install the Chrome extension. So you click here, you click on Add to Chrome, and then add extension. Now, when you go back on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you will get a button like this one, Extract Leads. So once you are ready to export your leads, you just need to click on Extract Leads, and here you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. Then you click on Continue. Here you click on Save and Export. And here you can give the number of leads you want to export. So in my case, for this tutorial, I will export 300 leads, and then I click on Export Leads. All right, so my export is currently running. I will just rename my export. And what I like to do is to write the filters I used on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So basically here, I target people who are sales manager in a company headcount between 1,000 to 5,000 people based in New York. Then I press enter. And now I just need to wait a little bit to get my export. All right, so as you can see, the export is done. And now if I want to download it, I just need to click here and then download CSV. Here is my file with all my leads. So here we can see that we have 300 leads in it. So on top, you can see that we have some informations like the first name, last name, LinkedIn URL, and the most important part when you want to send cold emails is the verified emails. So with GiveMeLeads, you don't need to verify your email after an export because we already do it for you. Then you have the job title, location, some LinkedIn informations. And what's interesting is that you have company informations like the company name, company website, company location, company industry, and company employee count. Now, when you export your leads with GiveMeLeads, you get clean data. So it means that you don't have problems with capital letters and you don't have Stefano with a rocket emoji at the end of his first name. So basically, you don't have to waste your time to clean the data because the data is already clean. Then what we want to do is to import this list of leads into Smartlead, and for that we need to go on Smartlead. When you are on Smartlead, you need to click here on Email Campaign, and then you click on Create Campaign. This is on this page where you can import your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator to your Smartlead account. So you just need to click on Upload CSV file and find your list of leads. Then import settings, I recommend you to keep the default settings, and then you click on Save. And here you can see we have our CSV file. So it's sales manager in a company headcount between 1,000 to 5,000 people, and it's people based in New York. Now what we need to do is to map the columns that we have in our CSV file to the Smartlead properties. So for example, we have here first name, and we just need to click here in first name, and same for last name. Smartlead has already mapped some fields. So for example, email is email, location, same, and company website, website. Make sure that you have at least two fields, first name and email. And then you click on save and next. Importing CSV file, perfect. And here you can see the number of leads we have imported. Then you click on OK. And now on this page, you have to write your email. So I like to start with hi first name. If you want to have a variable, you just need to click here. Then first name. So hi first name. And then you have to write the body of your cold email. So for example, I saw your sales manager at company name. We help sales teams onboard new reps faster and make them productive in less time. I could improve this cold email by being more specific here, but for this tutorial, it will be okay. And then I like to add a soft call to action. Would you like to see how? Then what we have to do is to write a subject. I will write sales onboarding. If you want to add a follow-up, you just need to click here, and then you click on email, and here you can write your follow-up. And once you're ready, you click on save and next. You choose your sender accounts. For this tutorial, I have one email, so let's do that and click on save email account. Here you can schedule your campaign. Time zone, it's New York. I want these emails to be sent from Monday to Friday, it's perfect. Set campaign start date, let's say tomorrow, and max number of new leads reached per day per campaign, 10,000, and then we click on save. Then you can modify your campaign settings, and then you click on save and next. And here on this page, we can do a quick review of our email. If you want, you can send a test email, and once you're ready, you click on schedule campaign. And now when you are on email campaign, you can see our new campaign, sales manager, 1,000 to 5,000 people, New York. And if you click on your campaign, here you can see your lead list. And here you have all the people you've imported from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So if you want to export your leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, get their verified emails, and then upload it in Smartlead, you can click in the first link in the description to try GiveMeLeads. And now I see you either on GiveMeLeads or in the next video. Bye bye.